Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip for you. In this video, I imported a point cloud, and this point cloud is incredibly dense. If I look at the properties of this point cloud and look at the data tab, you'll notice I have about 60 million points. And maybe for my workflow, and maybe I want to reduce the points to help improve processing time. To do so, I can take advantage of Inspector's Subsampling tool. If I'm using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I can navigate to the Data Objects toolbox and find subsample data objects. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I'll select the data in my tree, click on the Data tab, and I'll click on the Subsample tool. PolyWorks allows you to subsample selected data points or an entire object. And PolyWorks offers 3 different ways of subsampling. For now, I'll choose uniform. And I can specify the desired point spacing between each point. So for this example, I'm going to do a point spacing of 0.5 millimeters. And let me zoom into this corner of my part. Let's apply it. And we'll let PolyWorks run. And if I zoom in close enough, you'll see all these data points are now 0.5 millimeters spacing from each other. PolyWorks does offer the other 2 methods, random and curvature-based. They're both very similar, where I could specify a desired percentage, but curvature-based will put more priority on preserving curved areas. Let me go ahead and rotate to another area of my part. And I'll specify that I want to have my final point cloud be 25% the original size. I'll press apply. Now that the subsampling is finished, you can see how much more coarse the data points are in the more flat sections of my scan. But when I look at the edges, you can see there's still more data points preserved around the edge of my scan. And now when I return back to the number of data points in the properties of the data object, you'll now see I've reduced the 60 million points down to 1.4 million points. So this is just an example of how I could subsample my point cloud. Thank you for watching.